New today, a major ruling from the Supreme Court surrounding mail-in ballots. 2 conservative justices voted with the 3 liberal justices to keep current mail-in voting rules in place. News 8's Steve Price joins us live from the Registrar of Voters office with reaction and what it means for the November election. Steve.
Carlo, it means exactly what we just saw in the recent primary election. As long as your ballot is postmarked on Election Day or before it and arrives here at the Registrar's office within 7 days after the election, your vote will count. Definitely not the ruling President Trump was hoping for.
I think it was very detrimental to honest elections, but it is what it is.
President Trump was dealt a defeat Monday by the Supreme Court, which preserved mail-in voting as we know it. In a 5-4 decision, conservative justices Amy Coney Barrett and Chief Justice John Roberts joined the 3 liberal justices to rule that states can count mail-in ballots that are cast by Election Day but arrive later.
Gives people more time to vote illegally, let's say.
President Trump has claimed without evidence that mail voting leads to election fraud. Here in California, ballots postmarked on Election Day are counted as long as they are received within 7 days. San Diego County's Registrar of Voters issued a statement to News 8 after today's court ruling, saying in part, the Registrar of Voters is aware of today's Supreme Court ruling and it has no effect on our current procedures. President Trump is still hoping Congress will pass his SAVE Act, which would, among other things, eliminate most mail-in voting.
You have to be a citizen of our country. Okay, you have to show you're a citizen of our country, called citizenship. Voter ID by photo voter ID, and no mail-in ballots unless you're in the military, disabled, you're ill, or you're away, or even on a vacation. We're being very open about it.
President Trump is claiming one big win today, the court voting 6-3 that a president can fire the heads of independent federal agencies, in this case, Federal Trade Commissioner Rebecca Slaughter.
It gives me the right, and not me, it gives a president the right to do what the president should have the right to do.
But it wasn't a total victory for the president, with the justices ruling Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook can stay in her job. The justices saying she needed some notice and opportunity to be heard before the president tried to remove her.
And we are expecting the Supreme Court's final rulings for this session tomorrow, and there will be some big ones, Carlo, including birthright citizenship, which will be a serious test of the 14th Amendment, which says anybody born on U.S. soil is a U.S. citizen. We will be sure to let you know what happens tomorrow.